Want to become a budgeting superhero? Wonder how to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle? Welcome to the world of savvy spending, where your financial prowess can transform you into a budgeting superhero. Imagine harnessing the power to stretch your dollar further, making more from less, all without losing the things you love. It's not about cutting corners, it's about making smarter choices. So are you ready to take flight towards financial freedom? Unlock your financial superpowers with these simple money-saving hacks. First stop, the supermarket. Your grocery bill can be your biggest expense, but it doesn't have to be. You see, the trick to slashing that bill is in the planning. Map out your meals ahead of time and you'll not only save money, but also reduce food waste. It's a win-win. Next, buy in bulk. Grains, spices, and canned goods are often cheaper when you buy more. Just make sure you have the storage space and that it's something you'll actually use. Thirdly, become a sale hunter. Most supermarkets have weekly sales and discounts. Take advantage of these deals, but be careful not to fall into the trap of buying things you don't need just because they're on sale. Another tip? Ditch the impulse purchases. Stick to your list and resist those tempting treats at the checkout. With these grocery hacks, you'll see your supermarket bills shrink without compromising your food quality or variety. Next, we tackle shopping. Think you have to give up your favorite brands to save money? Think again. Let's start with a simple hack. Compare prices online. With a world of options at your fingertips, make sure you're getting the best deal. Now let's talk about cashback and rewards programs. Many stores offer these as a way to give back to frequent shoppers. They're free to join and can help you save big over time. Ever thought about buying off-season? Retailers often reduce prices at the end of a season to clear out inventory. This is a perfect opportunity to snatch some great deals. And don't discount second-hand or refurbished items. They can offer significant savings and often work as well as new items. Remember, a budgeting superhero knows when to splurge and when to save. Make smart shopping decisions and see your savings grow. Lastly, let's look at your everyday expenses. Small changes can lead to big savings. Think about how you use energy at home. Turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when they're not in use, and using energy-efficient appliances can all help keep your utility bills low. Consider your transportation needs too. Carpooling with coworkers or friends, or using public transportation, can significantly reduce fuel costs and vehicle wear and tear. Walking or cycling short distances not only saves money, but also adds a boost to your health. Next, take a hard look at your subscriptions and memberships. Are there any you're not getting full value from? Cutting out unnecessary subscriptions or memberships can free up a surprising amount of money each month. By being mindful of these everyday expenses, your budgeting superpowers will truly shine. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, making you the ultimate budget hero. The journey to becoming a budgeting superhero isn't about sacrifice, it's about making wise decisions. Today, we've navigated the realms of grocery savings, smart shopping, and managing everyday expenses without compromising on quality or enjoyment. By understanding the value of money and making strategic choices, we can all become budgeting superheroes. So let's keep our capes on and continue to save smartly. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a budgeting superhero. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, is a wall